Hi guys, Rex, how are y'all? I'm over here at the Duck River today. All my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing and believing in me. I want to grow my channel and I want to make videos where I talk a lot and tell you where I'm at and what I like to do. What is my passion? Fishing is my passion. I love to fish streams and rivers. Today I'm at Duck River, Tennessee. It is beautiful. Kind of low looks like, but I kind of like it. It's deep. I'm sure I'm gonna catch some smallmouth bass. Stay tuned. And if you like my channel, subscribe to me. Thank you so much for today. It's a beautiful day. We got some clouds that way. It's gonna cover over me. And I'll probably have a great time fishing. Stay tuned. Folks, found a nice little shoal first. You know, I love to fish the shoal, rapid, elbow, whatever you want to call it. Open that deep pocket. Absolutely beautiful little flat. Ooh, that's the first molly. Gosh, this guy was aggressive. Goodness, he wanted it. Okay, bud. I knew you're gonna be there. And this location looks very tempting. And he came out of there flying. I'm gonna have to pull up here, fish a little bit. I know this spot might be the spot you might catch some more. Right first. First, I'm getting a nice little smallie. Pretty. We'll let him go. Cause it's nice spotted bass. We'll let it go. And it goes. No, got a snake. No. No way. Come on, dude. Caught a snake.
Really?
Look at this guy. No way, dude. You're gonna have to stay away from me. Oh. Yeah, get off my stuff, man. Dude. Really? Dude. This is messed up. Had to kill the snake. I don't know, he's dead. Scary looking fellow. Got him. Yeah. Nice little fish. Look at this guy. Caught so many of these little fellers. They attack tiny baits. I mean, look at the size of this bait. Look at the size of this fish. Whopper plopper gets it done. Whopper plopper, spotted bass. Nice. Nice, very nice.